vacation mode again. We are doing our annual camping. So we're going back to Banff today. Late na kaming umalis kasi late na kaming natulog dahil may pasok kami kagabi. Hindi naman kami nagmamadali kasi wala na kami inaabol na oras. And the weather is not so great. Last week sobrang init, 36 degrees. Tapos ngayon bigla namang windy day, umulan kahapon. Hirap mag-drive today kasi maulan, mahangin. So, dito lang tayo sa slow lane. Hindi tayo pwede mag-fast lane today. So, yun ang natin ngayon. Agenda natin for today. So, join us for this camping trip. We are going for 3 days, 2 nights.
Situation for today. Lahat all packed. See you later.
Hey guys, I'm sleepy. We're heading now to Banff. We are now at Calgary. We just finished lunch. Nag-lunch kami sa Cross Iron Hill, Jollibee. Kasi masyadong alangan yung oras natin. It's already 3:27. So,
Oras tayo umalis.
umalis tayo 11 Then nag-stop tayo sa Red Deer. So, kita nyo ba ang traffic mga guys? We're gonna move. Because there's traffic.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling. This heavy load got under your skin, hauling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathing.
Stay to the right to Highway 1 West through traffic and park pass holders only.
Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors.
Continue straight for 8 minutes to exit to Banff, Minnewanka Loop, Boucle, Minnewanka.
Moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser.
So guys, we are here at the campground. As always, we are here at Tunnel Mountain. We are registering.
We need to secure our permit.
Oh, it's raining. It says there raining.
Where?
Sunday ang mainit.
Saturday, it's raining?
Yeah, it says Friday, Saturday. Maybe chance of rain.
Oh yeah.
And then Farvan. Bawal lang magpaan.
Fire ban in the back. Yes.
Meron daw ditong black bear sighting in the campsite for the last
2 days.
2 days. So, no food or any scented
Items.
yes, food.
It should be
or-
kept inside the vehicle.
Yes.
So all the garbages, all the rubbish needs to be kept.
Hello.
Bonjour, how are you guys?
Good, and yourself?
Good, thank you. Have you got a reservation?
Yes.
Perfect. Do you know where you're staying?
D10.
D10.
Under Jomart.
Crispo. We need to...
Even the propane gas will be 11, right?
Yes. Yeah. And there's your camping permit, so that one goes on the dash of the car, and then you guys are good to go. You're going to be down here on the third right.
Okay, thank you. So guys, nandito na tayo sa ating campsite. As I said, Tunnel Mountain. Nandito tayo sa Tunnel Mountain. Hindi masyadong busy, wala masyadong magka-camping. I mean, marami pa rin pero hindi masyado.
Ano lang dito,
Ano yan?
Matigas yung lupa.
So guys, as always, alam niyo na ang drill. Mamontage na natin ang ating pagbibuild ng tent. So, enjoy watching!
If only I could finish something, run straight through to the end, close a chapter dignified. Damn girl, you did it again. But will it ever be enough when I'm bent on trying to keep it tough? Will I ever settle down, happy with the here and now? When will it ever be enough? Ever be enough? Ever be enough? If only I could build a tower, pierce right through the clouds, saxophones at every hour. Who hasn't heard of me now? Then will I have had enough
Hey guys.
trying to keep
Hey
myself
guys,
real
tapos na natin build yung
tough?
tent. Lalagyan na tayo ng mat.
Settle down, steady even when it gets loud. When will it ever be enough? Ever be enough?
Oo, kasi pag dito.
When will
Ay, pandulo lang yun.
it ever be enough? Ever be enough? Ever be enough? If only I could find a way to put an angel on your shoulder, tell you true
dalawang pan
things
na.
every day. By the time you get older, maybe it could be enough. You don't have to be so tough. Maybe you could settle down, happy with the way it is now. When will it ever be enough? Ever be enough? Ever be enough? When will it ever be enough? Ever be enough? Ever be enough? When will it ever be enough?
So guys, all set up.
Naghintay na sinaing.
Nakatambay tayo dito ngayon. It's already, what time is it?
8:14.
8:14? 1:4? 8:14 ng gabi. So nagsasain kami ngayon.
Quiet time is 11.
Kaya,
So we have a few hours to cook and eat.
and then we can make tambay.
Tambay inside the tent.
Until 11, we can tambay till 11. And then we can go inside the tent. Mamaya kayo, tutur ko kayo dito sa
Nakabukas na ba to?
hindi pa. Tutur ko kayo dito sa ating
Crib.
ay, nakalimutan natin yung
Yung ano?
Yan.
Bukas na.
Ngayon na, kakabit ko na ngayon.
Yung gagamitin mo yun. Gagamitin mo ba ngayon?
Kahit na.
Oo. Bukas ito ka maglagay. Tapos ayan, naglalagay siya ng tent. Ay, ng ano pala, ng duyan. Design lang, di naman niya ginagamit.
Which one is the right side? Oh. This one.
Nasa likod yung tatag.
Is it too high?
It's okay. Kasi maglalambitin yan eh.
Like this?
Yeah. Tapos may paa mo.
Di ba mapuputol to?
Tapos may paa mo. Ipasok mo yung buwas. Patawan mo.
Baka bumagsak ako.
Ready?
Kasi
Congratulations.
gumagalaw tong puno.
Hindi.
Pag naputol yan.
Ano puputol?
This is life. This is vacation. This is camping.
This is Jomar.
This is easy jobs.
Don't you want it?
So, ano aesthetic?
Yun lang ilalagay natin. Isa lang.
So guys, nagpe-prepare kami ng dinner namin. Very very late. Pero yung mga tao naman dito
Luluto pa eh.
nagluluto pa din naman. Saka
Ano lang naman to, gulay.
konting gulay. Ayan. Kahit wag ka na magbaon. Ayan.
Kalahati lang to.
Yes.
I forgot my ano guys eh. Forgot my...
Pag gusto mo, busin mo na yan. Para hindi ka naman.
I forgot my ano guys.
Sangka lang. Para siyang si
Sangka lang.
Mary Lou. Madami nakakalimutan.
Excuse me, yun lang ako nakalimutan. Okay guys, yan nagluluto na siya ng aming gulay.
Welcome to my cooking show.
Wala kami lagayan ng mantika, so dun lang namin lagay. What are you gonna do?
You put 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it boil.
Let it pour. Let it sizzle.
Zizzle.
Kailangan meron tayo tagatang yung, alam mo yung maliit na folding table, no? Kapag ganito na doon lang tayo kakain, tapos yung luto natin dito, no? Yung luto natin dun sa may folding table lang, no?
Dami mo naisip ah.
So isuot ko nga yan, ilista ko.
Dami mong kulang.
Folding table na maliit. Katulad na kay tatay, yung kanina dito ba? Di ba nagluluto siya dun sa may folding table niya? Oo. Tapos niligpit niya na, oh.
So, boiling na po ang ating We will put this.
Sibuyas.
Dahil sa niluluto ko, maamoy ng bear. Pupunta sila lahat dito. Because it smells so yummy.
Puputok-putok na ko.
Hindi mo pa tinanggal to.
Cooking ng ina mo. With Easy Jones. Oh, sige. Pakitang gilas ka pa.
Of course. Kaya naman sa viewers ko, wala akong skills.
You put the everything na. Ha? Akala ko lang.
So guys, siya naman ang toka ngayon. Specialty niya. Ang kanyang gagawin. Which is, ang paborito niyang
Maling.
fish spam. Ang taba naman ang hiwa mo.
Akin yun eh. Kasi cook.
Ayun o.
Di ba na tayo mga specialty ko?
Ang taba nung hiwa nung spam niya. Sana yung buong nilagay mo na lang dyan. Ayan po siya. Hey guys, kainan na. Good evening. Good evening. Yung tira natin, kainin natin. Dinner time. Finally. Kain po. Yung mga tira-tira natin, kainin natin.
May tapon na.
May kanin pa. Yun o. Kainin ko muna to ang tira.
May spaghetti pa.
May spaghetti. Kain tayo guys.
May
Malamig.
yan.
At pala yung ko sa kawala.
At ano ko ba anak?
Maalat to? Ito ba?
Hindi. Pero punta kayo dito. Jay, hugas time.
Kailangan natin maghugas.
Hugas.
So guys, gabi na, madilim na dito sa campsite. Ayan po ang ating tent. Look at that, look at that. Kitang kita ang ating tent. So guys, bago tayo matulog, ano muna tayo, campsite tour. Ayan yung ating dining area. Ito ang ating bedroom area. Natutulog na po siya doon. Ayan po. And this is our receiving area. Ayan po. Ayan. So guys, nasa loob na tayo ng ating bedroom dito sa ating camp site. Meron ditong homeless.
Naantok na guys.
Anong oras na?
11 o'clock almost.
11 o'clock. What is the temperature tonight?
The temperature tonight is about no signal.
No signal. Since
signal.
no signal here, mga ano yan? Mga 10. Isn't it? Sorry, we don't have signal. But anyway, guys.
Guys.
Anyway, guys. I hope you like or watching.
I'm watching.
Lasing yata
What are
ako.
you doing? What are you
Hindi
saying?
ko alam yung sinasabi ko. Ang ibig sabihin is, i-end ko na yung vlog. This is our first day here at the campsite. Yun yung first day namin ng vacation. So, we're sleeping na. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll update you sa iba pa naming kaganapan. Okay, hope you enjoy watching this. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave some comments. This is Sexy Jump saying God bless you all. Be kind and live your life to the fullest. We'll see you on our next vlog. Bye.